market here. Sexy little dress. Some bras, panties, some bracelet. Oh, these are red envelopes, so these are when they give money to people. I know this because, yes, these are just things Chris knows. I'm a bit hangry. Maybe eat somewhere here before we go into the big mall. Oh, look at all the jewelry. Cool. Little kid stuff, little purses, earrings. Hi. Made in Korea. Oh. Let's see here. This is for a present for a special someone. Oh, these are cute. I do like these the best so far. These little ducks. Huh. $80? Can you do 80? 80. 80. No. Okay? Okay. Already our first deal. Oh, she's even polishing them up. Very nice, thank you. I think 80's around $5 to $7. Little pouch for him and everything. All right, awesome. Shit. Thank you. Have a good day. It's our first purchase on the. We're not even at the market yet, but. Hey, why not? Oh, little girls' clothing. More bras, more panties. Sexy little nightie. Okay, so that was a little. Oh, there's more. Look how cool this is. Look at these steps. It's fucking awesome. I'm still to walk straight, so I will walk straight. Tesla blocking the road. That's the 90th Tesla I've seen today. More bra, more panty, more sexy nightwear. Oh, wouldn't count it too sexy. This is the wood guy. You can smell the lacquer. Different, what is this? Nylons? clothing. Little, so these are for good luck, good fortune. These are Chinese. Maybe Hong Kongese too, but that brings you money into your house. Again, I know this because I just know this. This reminds me of San Francisco, huh? We're in like little San Francisco. Very, very cool. Come on, Beamer. What do we got here? 520D, so that's a diesel. Wow, this is so cool. What a cool street, huh? Look at the buildings. Howdy. Toilets. I do have to pee. So let's take a look at the toilets that are public. Maybe they're open this time. Last ones I went to were not. So let's take a check here. We got men's here. Let's see. Let's see what a public toilet in Hong Kong looks like. I don't want to record any dicks, so. Not too bad. Oh, hole in the ground. Very traditional here. Alright, I'm gonna whiz it out. Good smell, not too bad. This is where the Asian squat comes into play. Okay. So that was the public toilet of Hong Kong. Not too bad. Alright, so I'm gonna cut again. Alright, why do I love Hong Kong? Let me tell you. First thing, one of the best metros you'll ever have. The subway is unfucking beatable. It's a beast. You can get everywhere in the entire city incredibly efficiently. It's amazing. Second, the people are fucking amazing. They're very friendly, they're very nice. As I said before, I meet people every time I go out. No problem, just like in Saigon. Third, it's safe as all hell. In fact, it's safer than Saigon as far as getting your shit stolen. I haven't had to worry about, you know, my bag and all that stuff. Like, you're paranoid in Saigon almost all the time, because if you leave something for 1 second, it's gone. Here, it's not like that. These are good, kind people. They got heart. They're willing to help. Fourth, the people, again, are just amazing. The food is amazing. Fifth, let's go to the food. It is always good. I've never had a bad thing here. Literally. Well, maybe one thing, but that's because I ordered a Western style Asian dish. Should have known better. But for the most part, awesome. 6, there's 7-Elevens everywhere. They have beer. You can never not find a 7-Eleven, so you can never not find a beer. Only thing I can say bad about Hong Kong is too expensive. But, you know, you win some, you lose some. So, for the most part, I recommend you travel here, you come here. Stay for at least a week. Everybody only comes for 2 or 3 days. The city's pretty massive. There's lots of stuff to see, so it takes much longer than 2 or 3 days. Now's the time to come because everything's so cheap. So book a flight, book a hotel, and just come. Like I said, the protests aren't of your worry unless you go and join the protests. So if you're not joining them, then you're fine. You're good to go. Blockers. Let's see, what else? Besides the metro, the food. Getting a hotel's tough. To get a good one, you gotta make sure you research it. Don't trust the booking or whatever, Travelocity. Research it, Google it, make sure it's good. This hotel I'm staying at this time, Stanford, very good. Recommend it. I'm checking out of there today and going to a new hotel, so we'll see how that one goes. I gotta go to L2. I think it was L2. L6. There we go. I'm going on the Star Ferry Pier right now, which is a popular tourist attraction. It only costs $3 US. So I absolutely love Hong Kong. I have not much bad to say about it. Other than that, it just costs too much. Other than that, fun. Very fun. People are great. Everyone helps me. I have quite a few friends here already. They're down to help me with whatever. I'll be shooting intense footage this weekend. Pretty much this week was the fun week to where I could explore and do stuff. So I may go to Disney or Ocean Park this weekend. Probably one of the two. So, alright guys, I just wanted to make a quick little video of why I love it here. And why you should come here. So, peace. We had to run. Barely made it. Let's get a good seat. Alright. Taking us over to Central. Without a full tour, I'm not a 1 hour boat guy. Just a short boat ride's good with me. Pretty cool. Alright. So once the boat gets moving, I'll turn it back on. Peace. Alright. Again, quite beautiful. Recording as usual. I'll go over to the other side. This only costs $2. $1. Very beautiful. You can see the whole Central over here. Not too late to do most big enough where you're like a motion picture person, no worries. Let's try to get over here. $2 I have it. It really shows off Hong Kong. Oh, look at that. It's just stunning. Yeah, this is a great tourist attraction to do. Highly recommend it. I don't know if I'd want to do the hour tour. You know, quick ride over. Yeah, this is cool. This is a good way to get to Central if you don't want to take the subway. Saigon. Wow, look at that. What a cool ride. Very quick. Almost as quick as the subway. Cheaper. Subway would have been 12 HKD. Central Pier. Cool, we can explore Central Pier now. I highly recommend this boat ride. Very, very cool. Water reminds me of the Gulf in Florida. Gulf side. Alright, let's go walk to the other side. Alright guys, so I'll explore this little area. If there's something cool, I'll show that as well. Is McDonald's dominating in Hong Kong? Let me tell you right here. The quality of ingredients. This Angus burger is the best thing I've ever had at McDonald's in my entire life. The fries are always fresh. They have twister fries, they have chicken. They're just blowing away whatever America has right now. So I mean, this is the reason why McDonald's is winning over here. It just fucking blows away America. If you want a really good fast meal here, McDonald's is actually fucking premium. Like, you got a nice little dessert station on your way out. You can get some soft serve. I mean, the quality is just next level here. It just fucking obliterates America. I couldn't recommend it enough. I couldn't recommend the Angus burger enough. I would definitely come to McDonald's if you're in Hong Kong. You will have a lovely meal. It's my go-to when I'm in a hurry. So, yeah, check it out.